Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by registering an app in Azure AD so OneDrive trusts your calls. Follow with granting files. Read-write, all or more restricted scopes depending on needs. This is why permissions matter. Once done, choose an auth flow. Pick authorization code if you need user context or client credentials for daemon services. Then, build a simple token request using your client ID, tenant ID, and secret, and retrieve an access token to call the OneDrive API. Now that you have a token, exchange the authorization code if using user flow, and store the access and refresh tokens securely. Next, make it requests to /me/drive or a specific drive ID to list root children. Include authorization, bearer token and headers. For uploads, use simple or resumable sessions depending on file size, and for updates rely on e-tag with if matched to avoid conflicts. Make sure to follow at OData. Next link when results are paged. To finish, upload files. Choose Simple Put for small items or create a resumable upload session for large files and send chunks to the upload URL until committed. For syncing, track Delta tokens from /Delta to detect changes efficiently. If you hit 401 or 403, refresh tokens, prompt user reconsent, or correct permission scopes. This is the common fix. Finally, inspect JSON responses for errors and respect retry after headers to handle rate limits gracefully. That's your primary troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.